All right, we're moving on to putting back the rear end in this thing, and then we're going to start working on the transmission shift linkage. And as I tried earlier to mess around with the detent cable, I ended up popping off the plastic bracket that's there. So I think I got to replace it now. Good news is I bought one before I came home, just in case. So stay tuned. Well, that was not fun, as you guys can see. Still reverse is not there. So that was a pain in the dick. And the car just sounds like shit. It won't go past 2,000 RPMs. It's just running super rich. So I'm gonna give FiTech a call, see if they can give me any bit of insight on what's going on with it, and hopefully they can point me in the right direction, because right now this thing is not running good, which kind of blows my mind because the car was running fine. It just got tuned before I lost the fuel pressure. So I don't know why this has happened. So we'll give FiTech a call and see what they have to say. Till next time, be safe.